What's up guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. And today we have a special modifications for the good old Duramax. Not that Toyota, but the good old Duramax. And I'm not gonna drag this out, so what we're gonna do is cue the intro. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to install this Sinister diesel AR exhaust tip. This thing's actually pretty heavy. So this is, I do believe it's made for a 5-inch straight pipe, hopefully, because I have a 5-inch straight pipe. And it's a 5-inch to a 6-inch tip. So right now I have a 5-inch to an 8-inch tip. So yeah, I have an 8-inch tip now.
That's what she said.
Exhaust tip I'm talking about. And then I'll be going down to a 6-inch tip, but I think it's gonna look much better with this AR look. And the funny thing is, I actually saw some guy in an F250 way back, like 4 months ago, up in Atlanta with this exhaust tip, and I like fell in love. I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cool. And I found out that Sinister makes these, and they sent me an email. They were like, hey, would you like to do a review, or would you like to try the AR exhaust tip on your Duramax? And I said, of course, send them my way. And they did. Here they are. They look absolutely amazing.
Just look at it.
Fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, man, them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Dude, your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band, ay. Now she acting out of pocket, trying to grab up on my pants. 100 bitches in my trailer, said I ain't got a man.
So let's go ahead and get the exhaust tip installed on the Duramax. There's a new exhaust tip, and here, let me zoom out. Here is the old exhaust tip. Look at the size difference. Obviously, the 8-inch tip is gonna be much bigger, but I think the AR tip looks a lot better, or it looks a lot cooler, to be honest. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you guys like the axle dump AR tip, or should I maybe bring it out and then have it come out on the side that way? Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think I should do. Keep it axle dumped or bring it out. And because it's a 6-inch tip, it is gonna rumble a little bit differently than my 8-inch tip.
been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. show up, man, them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Dude, your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna.
So, I understand that there's a lot of new subscribers here, and so you guys may not know what size this exhaust tip is. So, if you're new, this is a 5 to 8 inch tip, and what brand? I have no idea. I just got it from Amazon for about 45 bucks. Because to me, I was just like, I don't think it makes a huge difference whether if you go with MBRP $100 tip or no name $50 tip. Also, I've been getting a lot of questions about this American flag on the tip. And I personally think it looks great. I think it was a great idea. So how I did it, I just put a decal on it. I did make a video about it, and I'll put the link in the description below or whatever. But a lot of you guys were wondering if this decal was gonna stay, and I was also wondering the same thing, because as you guys know, the exhaust tip can get really, really hot. Surprisingly, it's held up great. It's not peeling, no sign, like there's really no signs of the decal like about to peel or anything. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with it. I think I have maybe like 1 or 2 of these left. But let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to order some. I could get this exact same size. I can get smaller size for if you have like a smaller tip. You can also put them on the back of your vehicle. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want to buy these decals. I'll get more made, okay? But honestly guys, that is it for this video. I think the AR tip looks great. But let me know what you guys think. I kind of miss this look too, because you don't really see this very often. But then again, you really don't see the AR tip on really any diesel trucks around. So, thank you guys so much for sticking around. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you made it this far, why not celebrate by hitting that subscribe button right here. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.
What is up, guys? Just got done with some shooting again today, and today is important because I'm going to install the 6-inch Sinister AR-15 exhaust tip. It's a 4 to a 6 inch, and this thing is unbelievable, guys. It is amazing. I'm so excited to put it on the truck. I need you guys to watch till the end of this video, but this particular exhaust tip is made by Sinister Diesel. Alright, so let's back away. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. If you guys can tell a difference, that's a 4 to a 5 inch. Yeah, that's a 6 inch opening. That's a 5 inch. But this is basically brand new. I just installed this exhaust. This is a Sinister Diesel exhaust, 4 inch straight pipe. But look at the difference on this, guys. Check this out. I mean, if that little clamp right there wasn't there, I can probably fit that whole thing inside of my exhaust pipe. But the texture alone on this exhaust tip is amazing. Just to feel, it really does. It feels like an AR-15 type, military grade type paint that they put on it. It feels really good.